All right, so let's get into Instagram. Obviously, Instagram is the future of marketing. We keep beating that drum. Before we give away the tip, I just want you to give a little bit of context around why you're so bullish on Instagram right now.
Well, that's a loaded question, Jimmy. Let me just say one. We are going to be making a big announcement about Instagram on January 20th. So 2 weeks from today, the whole water cooler is going to be about Instagram. We're going to teach you guys how to do stories and polls and ads and swipe up and DM. We're going to teach you guys everything you need to know about Instagram. But I'm going to give you guys a couple reasons Instagram matters a lot. Number one, stories are taking over as being more popular than the news feed this year. So that vertical view, that story view, that permission marketing, right? When somebody clicks on it and they want to see it versus opening up their feed and seeing what the algorithm chooses. The other thing is Instagram stories are the fastest growing product in the history of Facebook. So they're skyrocketing. But what's crazy to me, there was a tweet that we found that went viral. Instagram is the QVC for millennials. Like my wife saves the ads on Insta.
Yeah.
She DMs me the ads on Insta. Like we have some great millennials that work here for us. You know what they told me, Jimmy? If you want me to see your ad, that's the only place I'm going to see it.
Yeah.
So Instagram, not only is it blowing up, it's also the place that people that did stop using Facebook as much flocked. Which is very ironic, of course. It's like, I'm deleting Facebook and I'm going to go use Instagram, which is owned by Facebook. But anyway, but the reality is they've got a stranglehold on social media.
Yeah.
Because if you quit Instagram, you're going to go use WhatsApp. If you go use Twitter, they'll buy that. You know what I mean? They'll go buy Snapchat. Whatever they need to buy, they're going to buy.
Yeah.
So anyway, what I want to teach is a very simple technique here, Jimmy. Instagram polls are one of the easiest ways to do a story.
And Chris, real quickly, just what was the date of the Instagram water?
That is going to be March 20th.
Thank you.
2 weeks from today.
Perfect.
We're doing a mega special all about Instagram.
Cool.
But the polls are very simple. You do a story, you click add poll, you type a question, and you put yes or no, or you put thumbs up or thumbs down, or you put smiley face, sad face, right? You give people 2 answers. So what you can do is you can just do a poll, which is going to be seen by your friends, and you can have the poll say, quick question, are you thinking about selling your home this year? Yes or no? That's it. And all you do is for the people that say no, not really that concerned with them, Jimmy. Now I have a little bit of data that makes me feel a little bit less inclined to focus on them this year. If they say yes, I'm going to slide in the DM. It goes down in the DM.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say, hey, I noticed that you're selling your home this year. I'd love to send you what your neighbor just sold theirs for, because it'll probably impact your home's value.
How often can you go back to the well on this? Because obviously this technique, everyone's going to do it today. They're going to get a few people raising their hand. Like how often do you go back to the well on a fastball like this?
Well, number one, you can do this on Facebook too. So do a Facebook story poll and an Instagram story poll.
Okay.
I'm going back to the well. Like people move on so fast, Jimmy. It's a great question. Like this is definitely part of my monthly mix.
Yeah.
Because you could say, are you selling your home this week? Are you selling your home soon? Are you selling your home this summer? Are you selling your home this fall? Are you selling your home next year? I mean, you can ask it a lot of different ways. So I certainly wouldn't do this daily or weekly, but I think a monthly poll in that vein makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and you just gave me an idea as you're going through that. I think if you ask, if you can ask a public question, you can ask it more frequently than if you ask a direct one-to-one question. Because you can't send the email every month to everyone saying, "Hey, do you want to sell your home this month?" But if it's a public-facing question, you're sort of like opting in to be exposed to this information. So you're sort of fair game at that point. So it feels like there's a ratio there. If it's a public question, you can ask it more frequently. If it's a direct question, a little less frequently.